Cameraman,
Mr. Everything Regular himself,
man.
Built by Dre, Built by Ray, man. We out here
sliding, man.
About to get some shots of this thing for his giveaway. Nice sunny day out here in California, as you can see. We just came back from the swap. This is behind the scenes of making video.
Let him pass you a little bit.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Built by Ray. If you haven't, please like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification so you can be updated when we drop new videos. We're about to go ahead and jump right into this thing. Right here chilling at the beach. My boy just pulled in. He don't know I'm right here, so we're gonna go down here, pull up on him, surprising. Hey yo, everything's regular. Everything's regular. What's up, bro? Hey, I see y'all like this is for sure him right here. You don't even see. You don't see me in the camera. I'm in the low key.
Side by side shot.
What's up, guys? We back with another video, man. We up here at the beach with the homies, man. Got the homie Everything's Regular, man, and my boy Built by Dre. We over here about to get some shots of this thing for his giveaway. Nice sunny day out here in California, as you can see. We just came back from the swap meet earlier, so we about to get this footage. And we're gonna go home, edit some videos.
You have to record it.
That shit crazy.
I'm tripping. Y'all gotta write it.
So you put it on 60 frames?
60 frames per second.
I'm on the GoPro still, but man, we about to get that thing.
Alright, it's gonna go up. It's the same shit.
Come on, man. Let's do it. I got some gas.
Nah, we good, man. All right, man, we about to go get this content. All right, this is behind the scenes of making video.
Let him pass you a little bit. Go up a little bit. Let him come up a little bit. Slow down just a tad bit. Keep coming.
Let's go left.
Pass up.
Let's go left.
Yeah, that was cool. Let him pass you. Cool.
Down by the beach, man. Y'all see it?
At the bottom.
Y'all see what's going on, man. It's a movie.
Get on the side of him again, right? How did they get over?
He's here.
That truck. Get on the other side of him.
nigga. That's a blue SS Silverado with the trailer.
Oh, for sure
Oh
is.
God. That's what I need to do, nigga.
That's crazy. Hey, they left him again on the little mini bike.
Hey,
They got the bikes in the back of the truck, man. Y'all see what it is, man. We up here getting that good footage, riding by the beach. The homie is giving this thing away, man. Check out his channel at BuiltByRay, man. Some of y'all is already from his channel, then subscribe to mine, man. But me and the homie, BuiltByRay, everything's regular. BuiltByRay, man. We up here. Y'all see what it is. Hey, we really could for sure get it in.
I ain't never even did what you just did. I ain't never even used this shit to like.
I was telling them, hey,
I never did this.
nah, that's
nigga.
the safety, so you
I
don't
need
drop
to do
it.
that, bro. I
Oh, you
swear.
see when I was holding out the
Yeah.
window?
That's so it don't drop. It's gonna be still locked on your wrist.
Alone and loved, that's how I feel. I dream all night and day. Could you give us a chance if you might? And I deserve it, please, one last time. Could you give us a chance, we'll be so fine. I hope one day, somehow, I always will meet again. Cause I've been wondering why we still play as we were friends. I hope somehow, I always will meet again. It's time to care, we should just share love one day. Mine, mine, mine. Night, you're mine, you're mine, you're mine. Night, you're mine, you're mine, you're mine, you're mine. Night, you're mine, you're mine, you're mine. Alone and bored, that's how you feel. You went so far away. You should give us a chance, please be kind. I need to see you just one last time. You should give us a chance, we'll feel alive. I hope one day, somehow, I always will meet again. Cause I've been wondering why we still play as we were friends. I hope somehow, I always will meet again. It's time to care, we should just share.
Successful video, man. That's why you gotta have a team and come together, cause I could not do that shit by myself, man. We'd have to have 2 drivers and a cameraman.
Mr. Everything Regular himself,
Man.
BuiltByRay, BuiltByRay, man. We out
sir.
here.
Sliding, man.
Team, man. If you don't
Yes,
know,
sir.
That's three. We can build some cars, a whole car from ground up.
Hey.
We can get it painted.
No,
we can get
dead
the
ass.
transmission.
All right, guys, we just got through chopping it up with the homies. This nigga driving over the island with the truck. We about to head back to the house, man. We gotta finish doing some stuff with that Mustang, edit these videos, some other stuff, and we good to go. We out of here. Y'all see what's going on, man. Making a play out here. Movie getting made. My boy Dre. That'll be all for this video. Until next time, man. Stay tuned.